Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix failed to verify username in Minecraft server Aternos. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So the failed to verify username error in a Minecraft server, including on Aternos, can occur for various reasons related to authentication and connectivity. Here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix this issue. First, check Minecraft server status. Before troubleshooting, ensure that Mojang's authentication servers are up and running. Sometimes issues with these servers can cause login problems. You can check the status on Mojang's official website or through other server status websites. Verify correct username and password. Make sure that players trying to join the server are using the correct Minecraft username and password. This is especially important if they recently changed their username. Restart the server. Sometimes restarting the Minecraft server can resolve authentication related issues. Use the restart option in the Aternos control panel. Wait and retry. If the issue is due to temporary connectivity problems or authentication server issues, waiting for a while and then retrying might resolve it. Check firewall and antivirus. Check your computer's firewall and antivirus settings. They might be blocking the connection to the server. Ensure that Minecraft and Java are allowed through the firewall. Check network connectivity. Verify that your internet connection is stable. Unstable connections can lead to failed authentication. Try a different account. If you have access to another Minecraft account, try logging in with that account to see if the issue persists. So clear DNS cache. Clearing your computer's DNS cache can sometimes resolve connectivity issues. So to do that, follow these steps. Open the command prompt for Windows user or terminal for Mac OS users and enter the command ipconfig/flush DNS for Windows or sudo kill all -hap mdns responder for Mac OS user. Okay? So just go ahead and pause this video so that you can follow these steps. Update Java. Make sure you have the latest version of Java installed on your computer. Outdated Java versions can cause compatibility problems. Contact Aternos support. If the issue persists, you might want to reach out to Aternos support for assistance. They might have insights specific to their platform. And lastly, check for server whitelist or bans. If your server has a whitelist or if the player's username is banned, it could prevent them from joining. Check your server settings to make sure this isn't the case. Remember that the failed to verify username error can have various causes, and the solution might differ based on your specific situation. If you're unable to resolve the issue with the previous steps, reaching out to Aternos support or consulting relevant Minecraft community forums might provide more tailored assistance. And that's it for this video on how to fix failed to verify username Minecraft server in Aternos. And I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!